Hey guys, so today I just made me some kind of like a galaxy slime. It's like galaxy. Like, look at that, people. Look at that magnificent color. Okay, so I would add like some glitter to it, but I decided not to, and just look at that. That's so magnificent. Just look at that. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. And yeah, so I added some glue. I added like this kind of glue, washable glue. You can actually get this at Walmart or Dollar General and stuff like that. And then my mom, we actually got this. This one was actually at Dollar General. It don't cost Dollar Tree. It was actually from Dollar Tree. Excuse me, Dollar Tree. And then we buy like Gain, the Gain for like laundry detergent, some Gain. And then over here we got like some food coloring. There's one. Where's that other one? Okay. Like you can add all different kinds. Here I mix purple and pink. These are the two I mix, so take those out. Bye. These two. These are the ones that I mix. But you can actually, this is neon, but you can actually like get these at Walmart maybe. And so like guys, I'm gonna like let this cool for a minute. So just kind of, that's so magnificent, y'all. Look from the sidelines. Whoa, yeah. By the way, guys, I'm literally outside, and it's like a beautiful day. Like, this is my whole, this is like my porch. There's my door. There's my neighbors. Look at that trash can. Dun, 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 trash can. And then, look at all this. Look at the sun. Sun, right there. Look at that, my next to the sun. Sun. Oh, there's like 1,000 trees out here. There goes my neighbor. Dun, 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 dun. But yeah, it's so beautiful out here. Let's get to the slime. Okay, so let's get a bright up in there. Oh, that's too bright. Yeah, that's perfect. So, as I mix this up, it'll get like kind of consistent kind of way. I can't really say the word, but like, look at how cool that is. If I touch it, watch. Look, you see like a little bit of pink, and a little bit of like, oh my god, that's pink, purple. See, that's so cool. If I dip it in the other side, it's just all fully purple. But guys, I hope you like this video. I want you to subscribe, like, follow me. And this is the first time that I made like a slime video or any other video, because on my channel, like, it's like all acting stuff. And if you ever want to act, look up this thing called International Modeling Talent Association, IMTA, and they do like, it's amazing. If you want to be on Disney Channel, you just have to go there. But yeah, guys, so like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.